2 pieces of bread with something in the middle. It's called a sandwich. And I don't know about you, but I was raised on them. Okay, to be honest, it was Wonder Bread with a slice of bologna in the middle, margarine on one side, and mayonnaise on the other. But, by the way, there was no obesity crisis back then. Why? Well, my little sandwich was probably around 300 calories, where these supersized 12-inch subs that we get today are closer to 1,200. Listen, I would like to bring back the sandwich and give it a little update. I have this sandwich chart that I have been giving to my patients for a long time, and parents love it because when they're trying to scratch their head and figure out what to give their kids in their school lunch, this gives them lots of options. And if they keep on hand, they're like, a long list of different kinds of breads and sandwich fillings and different sauces and spreads. And what you can do is let kids make their own and get creative and take charge. And if you really want to motivate them, invest in a panini machine. Now, I am not much for gadgets, but I love to toast my bread in here, and kids love to melt the cheese, and it's really fun and makes the sandwiches so delicious. I also love my little mini food processor in which I make my pesto. And that's a great little side. In fact, today for my lunch, I'm having my leftover turkey on a toasted slice of Ezekiel bread, spread with this yummy pesto, and a side of leftover green beans. And that is smart eating.